Welcome back to the Weston
and Layla show!
So, it's really, really cold outside. Oh, is it really cold at your place? Comment down below if it's really cold there. Or comment down below what the weather is at your place. So, since it's so cold, we're gonna be making some hot chocolate. But not any hot chocolate, we're gonna be making some
fancy hot chocolate. Good.
Yum. Baby, it's cold outside, so we're gonna make some hot chocolate treats. Yes, it's gonna be delicious to warm us up on this cold winter day. Today, we're gonna show you some fun and neat ways to make hot chocolate on a cold day.
So we have marshmallows right here, and some cinnamon, and some peppermints.
And we have some Reese's peanut butter, caramel, and raspberry syrup. We numbered them 1 through 6.
We're gonna roll the dice
to see which flavor ingredient we get. Layla's gonna go first.
Okay, I'm gonna roll the dice now. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna put the Reese's in my cup.
Okay, now I'm gonna roll the dice to see what flavor I get. 3. Grab one. Peppermint. We're gonna fill our cups half with milk, half with water.
I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Right now.
All right, time for toppings. We're gonna do 3 scoops of hot chocolate mix.
1, 2, 3.
One. Now we're gonna stir them up. Now we're gonna put our ingredients in, and we're gonna top it off with some whipped cream. Okay, now we're gonna stir a little bit more and add the whipped cream.
I'm gonna put some whipped cream.
Shake, 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 shake. delicious. Now we're just gonna sit back and
enjoy.
delish. That warmed me up so much.
Yeah, I like it.
Loved that. I got peppermint. I could taste it.
I can taste the peanut butter.
Yeah, because you got Reese's peanut butter syrup stuff. Yeah.
I liked it.
That was delicious. I got so warmed up. I hope that you guys learned a few tips how to do your hot chocolate. Comment down below if you learned anything about how to make your hot chocolate.
Please like.
Subscribe to our channel, comment down below, and we'll see you guys later.
On the Weston and Layla Chapter.